Hello, my name is Ian Reynolds. I'm here at Drake Brunswick, and welcome to your weekly NBN show. First, we're going to take a look at some drone footage.
Next up, we have our weather segment produced by the weather boy, Nick Wolven.
Hi, my name is Nick Wolven here with McCook Bison TV, reporting the weather for the week span of Sunday, March the 24th to Saturday, March the 30th. For Sunday, March the 24th, it will be a high of 62 and a low of 38, partly cloudy. For Monday, the 25th, there will be a high of 51 and a low of 34 with possible showers. For Tuesday, the 26th, there will be a high of 63 and a low of 40, partly cloudy. For Wednesday, the 27th, there will be a high of 76 and a low of 51, also partly cloudy. Thursday, the 28th, will have a high of 72 and a low of 40, also partly cloudy. On Friday, the 29th, there will be a high of 52 and a low of 32 with a chance of showers. And finally, on Saturday, the 30th, there will be a high of 51 and a low of 31, with snow turning into rain. This has been your weekly weather forecast from McCook Bison TV.
Now we'll go to Davin and Paul with the local and national news.
I'm Paul Stoney. I'm joined with Davin Brunswick, and this is your weekly news. Hi, I'm Paul Stoney. This is your local news. Cozad Elks Lodge purchased $615 worth of food from Schmick's Market. They delivered it to the McCook Food Pantry. The funds were the result of a grant which they received from the Cozad Lodge through contributions from the members of the Elks National Foundation. On July 17th through the 21st, there's a RYLA camp or leadership camp for sophomores and juniors at Hazley. There was a girls' tennis meet at North Platte at 2 p.m. on Tuesday and a meet home on Thursday. There's a golf meet on Friday, March 22nd at North Platte. Cheer tryout day is April 1st at 7 p.m.
Hi, I'm Davin Brunswick, and this is your national news. The terrorist attack in the mosque has now claimed 50 lives. Shortly after the attack, the New Zealand Prime Minister said that the government has agreed to reform its country's gun laws because of Friday's mosque terror attack. This has been the deadliest mass killing in New Zealand since 1943. For the viewers who don't know, a mosque is a place of worship in the Muslim religion. A huge college scandal has broke out. Evidence of a mass cheating on SAT and ACT tests, as well as college entrance exams, has been made public. Rich parents are buying their kids' way into the most prestigious colleges in the United States. Some of the cheating takes place when parents paid athletic departments to make fake scouting profiles, or when someone was paid to take or correct the college entrance exams to make their kid appear smarter than he or she truly is. An FBI agent was quoted saying parents paid up to $6.5 million for guaranteed admission. And that is your national news.
Next up, we have Landon Town and Ethan Hicks with our sports and activities segment.
Hi, I'm Landon Town with McCook Bison TV, and I'm here with Coach May to ask him some questions before the first varsity meet of the season. Hello?
Landon, how's it going?
Good. It's going good. How are you?
I'm good.
That's good. That's good. So the first meet is coming up in Sydney. So as a coach, what are your outlooks? What are your goals?
The outlook for this year is we graduated 14 seniors. We had 9 of them that qualified for state track. So it looks like a year of rebuilding maybe for the Lady Bison.
Yeah.
Can't quite say reloading like the Huskers say, or maybe the boys right now say.
Yeah.
But it's a rebuilding year. We've got 4 returning state qualifiers, and so they're kind of going to be the core of the team. And 2 of them are with Coach Bloomy in the throws. So we have a shot putter and a discus thrower that both qualified for state last year, and they'll probably be the early scorers for us in every meet. So we're kind of looking like if they can do well at the start, we'll do pretty well.
Do you think all the athletes are physically and mentally, prepared for this?
Even though this is our 4th week of practice, it's only going to be our 2nd week outside. So we will actually have 2 full weeks outside, 4 weeks of conditioning by the time we get to Saturday at Sydney.
It's a good amount of time.
Yeah, so it's not a horrible amount of time. It's just that, like last week, UNK was usually traditionally our first meet. We usually took kids there that were older kids that have been doing it for a few years, prepared. And last week, we obviously decided that nobody was ready for UNK.
Yeah.
It was too quick.
It was.
Not enough outdoor stuff. And so I think this week, we'll be okay. I think we'll be prepared. There's some stuff we got to get done this week, and hopefully the weather holds this week, because if we don't get it done, then we're in trouble. But I think we'll be ready for Saturday.
That'll be it from McCook Bison TV.
Thank you for tuning in to this week's MBN show. Make sure to come back next week for more.